Hello, welcome back, my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are safe and healthy. Do you remember what did we learn in the last class? Yes, very good. In the last class, we learned about Pudan, Tira, and the different art forms performed in the Puraparambu. Are you ready for today's class? Okay, take your text, page number 124. I'll read the text, you listen carefully and read with me. It is the day of Kala Vela, one of the typical sights of a North Kerala temple Puram is the Kala or oxen. Made of straw, built around bamboo frame and dressed ostentatiously with sequins, mirrors and brilliant colors. Each pair is created to outshine the rest. More than 25 to 30 Kalas come from various villages and wait at the Kalaparambu or oxen ground. We walk around each pair examining its exquisite handiwork. When we stop to admire one pair, the group responsible for each prince in delight. For the moment, they have scored a victory over the rest. Okay, my dears, did you get the idea of Kalavela? But don't worry, I will give the detailed explanation about Kalavela. Kalavela is one of the typical sight of North Kerala temple Puram, which is performed as an offering to please the goddess. These heavy idols are carried by the devotees in processions, and the groups compete with each other in making the decorations attractive. Bulls signify farming and the god's blessing for the bounty of nature. Students, listen here. Now let's see how do they make Kalas. The Kala is made of straw built around a bamboo frame and dressed ostentatiously. Ostentatiously meaning looking very expensive and impressive. The people or the group, those who make Kalas, they tries to make it very attractive by using sequins, mirrors and brilliant color. Each pair is created very brilliantly to outwit the creation of others. More than 25 to 30 Kalas comes from various villages and wait at the Kalaparambu. People, those who come there, walk around each pair to enjoy its exquisite handiwork. Exquisite means extremely beautiful. If anyone stop at one pair, the owners of that pair will be proud at that moment. They will think that it is their victory over others. Okay, shall we move on to the next passage? I'll read it, you listen carefully. And then starts the pyrotechnics. Rows of fine cylinders are kept on the ground filled with gunpowder, and as soon as lit, the spark from it sets the other one off. The explosions rock the ground, fill your ears and rock within your heart, and by the time you recover from it, the drums begin their thunderous music. Okay, students, listen to me. Then it starts pyrotechnics. Pyrotechnics is the public show of fireworks. There, the rows of iron cylinders are kept on the ground filled with gunpowder. When one is lit, its spark sets the other one off. The explosions rock the ground and it fills our ears and rock within heart. When we escape from it, the drums begin their thunderous music. Okay, my dears, let's listen to the next passage. For once, Each of us is lost in individual worlds. The older folk remember Purams from the past and as always compare this one to those in their memories, now further enriched by age. Students, please listen to me. The author says that by seeing this Purams, everyone will return to their own world. Nowadays, the old generation likes to compare their old Puram memories with the ones they see now. This comparative study of the Purams of the past and the present is a source of pleasure to the old people. Okay, my dears? Now let's move on to the next activity. Page number 126. Read the following sentence from the story The Wooden Cup. Suddenly, the child went over to the fireplace where his mother had set the pieces of the cup. Sweeping is an everyday action. What are some of the everyday actions that you do? List them down. Can you say? First one is given here. Wash clothes. Then can you say other everyday actions? Yes, you are correct. Cleaning house, do homework, read newspaper, watch television, take bath, etc. Okay, then look at the fourth one. Imagine that your mother goes out when you are not at home. She leaves the following instructions for you. Fill in the blanks, choosing the appropriate words from the box. In box, beat, tidy, make, wash, scrub, dust, clean out, empty, change and cook. Students, first of all you have to read the instructions given by mother. Dear son or daughter, I am going out and will be back only in the evening. Here are the jobs for the day. Then dash the floors. What will you write there? Yes, very good. Scrub the floors. Then dash the carpets. What will you write there? Beat the carpets. Then dash the furniture. Dust the furniture. Then dash the beds. What will you write there? Make the beds. Then dash the sheets. Then here change. Change the sheets. Then tidy the house. Then dash the rubbish. What will you write there? Empty. Empty the rubbish. Dash the supper. You know that. Cook the supper. Then wash the laundry and clean out the fireplace. Students, you don't forget to fill it in your text. Now it's the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.